Hello everyone. So we are discussing the string functions, right? And we have already studied about the strlen. So in this lecture we will discuss about the second and third function, that is strcpy. This two functions, strcpy and strncpy. So basically what happens, this strcpy function when I write strcpy, so this function takes two parameters. First is the destination string and second is the source string. What does it mean? It means that suppose I have s1 is equal to hello and s2 is equal to, let's say, everyone, right? So and after that, if I write strcpy in the bracket, if I write s1 comma s2, right? Suppose I am writing this. In this case, what it will do, it will what it will do, whatever the content you have in s2, it will be copied on s1, right? So this is my destination string and this is your source string. So what will happen, right now you have s2 everyone and s1 hello, and now what we are doing, now we are copying s2 on s1. So this string will be copied over here, right? So after applying this function, what will happen, your s1 will become everyone and s2 is already everyone. So after applying this strcpy function, your both string will be equal, s2 and s1 and s2. So this is the use of strcpy. We call it a string copy function. This is string copy, that we are copying the source string on destination string. So this is about the strcpy. Now next function we have strncpy. strncpy is like this. Let's say that you have s1 is equal to hello and s2 is equal to everyone. So if I write strncpy in the bracket, it takes three parameters. First, destination string, then source string, and then size. Size means how many characters you want to copy, right? How many characters you want to copy. So when I say strncpy in the bracket, if I write destination s1, source s2, and let's say 3 characters. Suppose you want to copy only 3 characters. It means what? It means that s1 means your this string, s2 this, and we know that this string is going to be copied on this, but how many characters? Only 3. So EVE, first 3 letters will be copied here. So 3 letters means HEL. So now your S1 will become EVELO. right? Because 3 letters we have copied from S2 to S1 and rest of all remain same, right? So this is the use of strncpy. Now let's see the example. Here we have a code which you can use, like as you can see here we have taken S1 and S2, and first we are printing both the strings and then we are applying strcpy function. Sorry, this is two on different types of string we have used this. Again we are using this and this way. So whenever you apply the function, always make sure that first you print the original string and then apply the function and then print the changed string. And also try with different types of strings, like here S1, S2, S3, three types of different strings we have. So you can use this way and you can do this way. So you can use these functions. It's very interesting, strcpy and strncpy. So other functions we'll discuss in next lecture.